So guys, today is Tuesday and I'm also heading back to school because I want to collect my convocation gown. So yeah, let's go. Oh, the sun is nice today. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Today is more than just a graduation, it is the start of a new chapter. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where every life becomes a vlog. Let's get ready for a graduation. I am back home and I want to do some stuff. I've already gotten my convocation gown, so I want to wash it so that with this sun it will be able to dry. Then I think I'll be relaxed and
my love, I got something to tell you, coming straight from my chest. Don't feel bad, don't blame yourself.
So this, wow, it's a heap of clothes, guys. This is all that needs to be washed, including that convocation gown. So time is 5:16. I want to finish up by 6 o'clock sharp on the dot. So let's see how fast we can wash it.
Hate the sound of goodbye. It ain't your fault, I swear it's not you. I just can't dress this up as a lie. Find another one that's gonna love you. My heart can go on no more. I loved you real, I loved you genuine, but the feeling faded slow.
Today is Monday and I know I didn't look trust because I wasn't really doing anything. I was meant to go to school today, but they haven't really done anything for me to go to school. But I went to pick up my hair extensions for my hair on Wednesday. So I got darling in the color silver and I got it in the color purple. And I got in the color purple and I'm mixing that. Then I got this Amigo coily, dancing coily hair extensions for me to add the coily stuff at the ending of the hair. This is what it looks like. I got it in this color. Yeah. So I'll be doing my hair on Wednesday. Right now I'm wanting to pick up my shoes. Yeah. Then I also entered market and I got this toenail stuff to put on my toes since I'm not really doing anything for now. I don't know, it's just a one day thing. Then I got this face back nose pore strip. I'll be using it to do like a maintenance day on Thursday. Then I also got this Cool Breeze body spray. I think so. I just got it for, because I am out of all my body spray perfumes. I just got this as, let me get this for now, but maybe after my convocation I will restock. Oh yeah, that is everything I got. Right now I am going to get my shoes. Hopefully I have enough money.
Hate the sound of goodbye. It ain't your fault, I swear it's not you. I just can't dress up as a lie. Find another one.
Dummy. So good morning guys, I am on my way to go make my hair. And I'm late.
Find another one that's gonna hold you when the nights feel cold and so. I gave you my best, I got nothing left. My heart can go
quick. So I did my hair yesterday and now I am coming to do my lashes. I'm at my lash.
but another one is going to know you. Find another one is going to know you. Find another
disturbing yourself? Why are you disturbing? Which kind of pressure?
So guys, I am back from the from the tailor shop, and I have gotten my clothes. Honestly, I haven't really talked to you guys. I can't wait for this convocation to be done. I'm going to vlog that separately. Tomorrow is my convocation day, and I want to use this evening to do like some body care, body scrub, you know, that excessive bath something. But yeah, I can't wait for it to be over, baby. Know that I am through it. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Been a long time, babe. New city, new phase, new plans. We both said give it space. Let it breathe, let it grow in our hearts. Late nights thinking of your laugh. Scroll gallery to put down my phone. We both out here on our path, still saving us for when I'm coming home. Can't wait to catch up and make love. Feel trust, feel us again. Slow talk, the ends on my skin. Maybe end up as lovers that start out as friends. Can't wait to catch up and make love. Feel trust, feel us again. If the vibe still feels like it did back then, we can end up as lovers that start out as friends. Oh, you're busy, I am too. New job, new glow is how we do. I've been building up a dream, but you still running through my mind. We made a little promise, same time, same place. One day, if we still honest, still modest, we can laugh and let our bodies say. Can't wait to catch up and make love. Feel trust, feel us again. Slow talk, the ends on my skin. Maybe end up as lovers that start out as friends. Can't wait to catch up and make love. Graduation may be over, but this journey just getting started. I hope you stick around for everything that's next. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next video where every life becomes a vlog. Bye. If your heart still knows where my heart from, you can write a new story right now. Right now.